The Royal St. Lucia Police Force acknowledges the public's concern following the recent spate of gun violence that have resulted in homicides over the past week. The RSLPF assures the public that we are fully mobilized and committed to restoring calm and public confidence in our communities. To address this recent surge, the Royal St. Lucia Police Force has intensified its efforts. We have increased patrols, conducted targeted operations, and increased surveillance and monitoring. While the Royal St. Lucia Police Force intensifies its security operations, public cooperation remains critical. We urge you, our community partners, to utilize the organization's various reporting platforms to provide information regarding recent incidents or any other criminal activity. You can contact the various community stations or use our anonymous crime hotline at 555 or the Crime Hotline app. We extend our sincere thanks to members of the public whose cooperation and timely sharing of information have been instrumental in advancing our investigations and solving some of the cases thus far. We will continue to provide regular updates as investigations progress. To those in conflict with the law, let this serve as a warning. Continued involvement in criminal activity will have consequences. We understand that these events have caused fear and concern. We would like to remind our citizens that safety and order are shared responsibilities. The Royal St. Lucia Police Force is doing everything within its power to ensure your protection, and we ask for your continued vigilance and support as we work to create a safer environment.